Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa bowl, only ways. Rinse 1 cup quinoa, toast it briefly, then add 2 cups water and simmer covered until fluffy. Fluff with a fork and season with salt, lemon, and olive oil for brightness. Top with roasted vegetables and a protein for balance. Serve warm or chilled and enjoy a simple, nourishing bowl today. Start by rinsing 1 cup quinoa under cold water, then toast it in a dry pan until fragrant. Add 2 cups water, a pinch of salt, and bring to a simmer, covering the pot. Cook gently until the liquid is absorbed, about 15 minutes, then remove from heat and let rest for 5 minutes. Fluff with a fork and adjust seasoning before adding toppings and dressings. Choose toppings that create contrast: roasted vegetables for sweetness, a protein for substance, and a bright dressing for lift. Try roasted sweet potato, chickpeas, and a lemon tahini drizzle for a balanced bowl. Add crunchy elements like toasted seeds or nuts and fresh herbs for brightness. Taste and adjust salt, acid, and oil to make the bowl sing before serving for a satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.